Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cleaning with Keishan Services. Today, we're going to ask ourselves this question. Does your foam cannon ever leak? So what are you going to show us?
Today, I have a foam cannon in the back of our shop. It is leaking all over the place. When we show you, it is spraying everywhere. This is pretty common for me. I've done this before with the fitting. It goes bad. There's an O-ring around it. We'll show you that more in the video of how to replace that. Once the O-ring does go bad, these are pretty cheap Chinese products, right? O-rings, they're very delicate items. I have 1 or 2 drops and that O-ring is breaking. Okay. So we want to show you, I'm going to show you how to replace that O-ring and make your foam cannon look just like, brand new, I'm sorry.
All right, no problem. Let's go see that.
Okay. All right, I'm going to show you first what's wrong with this pressure washer. Maybe your foam cannon has the same issue. Obviously, your foam can should not be doing that.
360.
So let's go fix it first. So as you can see, what's wrong here is we actually have a bad O-ring right here. As you can see, actually the O-ring is outside of what it needs to be. So let's take that off. For each foam can, the nut and bolt you're going to use is going to be different. So that was actually pretty easy. And as you can see right here, we have a bad O-ring. Let's take that one off. And it looks like it might have corroded, but that's fine. What we're going to be using to replace it is a number 8 Danco ring. You can pretty much find this at any home improvement store. And let's put one back on.
All right.
And we're just going to tighten this back up.
We're in there real nice and tight back.
Yeah. We're putting that O-ring on. And there we go.
And there we go. So it's on there tight. Obviously, you see there's no leakage there.
No O-ring.
We can't see that O-ring. It is obviously on the inside now. And let's go see if we are having the same issue now. So with the new O-ring on it, we should not have the same problems with it anymore. Pressure washer does not work with me. As you can see with the new O-ring, we're not having that leak anymore.
All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to mine and Keishan's channel. That's Cars and Couches and Keishan Services. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for next week's, Cleaning with Keishan. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.